A vacuole is an organelle found in cells, which is a membrane-bound sac used for storage, transportation, and waste management. Vacuoles are found in most eukaryotic cells, including plant cells, animal cells, and fungal cells, but their size, function, and structure can vary depending on the type of cell. Structure. Vacuoles are membrane-bound organelles that are typically larger in size than other organelles in the cell. They are formed by the fusion of multiple vesicles and are enclosed by a single membrane called the tonoplast, which separates the contents of the vacuole from the cytoplasm. The tonoplast is similar in composition to the cell membrane, consisting of a lipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Function. Vacuoles play a variety of important roles in cells. One of the main functions of the vacuole is to act as a storage compartment for various molecules, including water, ions, nutrients, and waste products. In plant cells, the vacuole can occupy up to 90% of the cell's volume and is responsible for maintaining turgor pressure, which helps to keep the cell rigid and upright. In addition, vacuoles can store pigments, such as anthocyanins, which give plants their vibrant colors. Another function of vacuoles is to transport molecules within the cell. In plant cells, vacuoles are involved in the transport of proteins and lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi complex. They can also play a role in the transport of small molecules, such as sugars and amino acids. Vacuoles can also serve as waste disposal sites. They can contain and isolate harmful compounds or waste products from the rest of the cell, preventing them from causing damage. In some cells, such as liver cells, vacuoles play a role in detoxification by storing and breaking down toxins. Vacuoles are essential organelles in eukaryotic cells, playing important roles in storage, transport, and waste management. The presence and function of vacuoles can vary depending on the cell type, with plant cells having larger and more complex vacuoles than animal cells. Disruptions to the structure or function of vacuoles can lead to a range of diseases, including metabolic disorders and lysosomal storage diseases. Basically, vacuoles are membrane-bound organelles found in most eukaryotic cells. They serve as storage compartments, transport molecules within the cell, and act as waste disposal sites. Vacuoles are essential for maintaining the structure and function of cells, and disruptions can lead to diseases.